Burning tires in a stolen car. I fucked up so bad outside the bar. Heading out is
Corona trips, Corona trips. Hello.
You better not give me that.
Who that gonna beat this thing? Yo, what's going on, Chefbiz? Back at it with another bang for you guys. So I'm going on a secret little trip right now. If you guys could guess what that trip is, I will follow you back on Instagram. Y'all see my jet right there?
And they're off.
That drink about to fall off.
No, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Oh my God.
Oh, hey, you
Atlanta
please,
right
yeah.
now. I had to then we got a layover. We got a layover here. It's about 4 hours. You gotta wait. The next flight comes at 5:50. So I'm just over here just vibing with my bed, yeah. We're over here cooling it until like 5:50, and it's back to the grind. Y'all stay tuned, man. I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure you guys smash that fave button, that subscribe button, that like button, hit that bell, and just get it going. Appreciate y'all watching. Those on those subs, right? We just need 500 more subs, then we're gonna be at 1K subs. So whatever you can do, make sure y'all subscribe, make sure y'all share the content with all your family members. Just back from the dollar store. Yeah, I only bought it so I can put it over the top of the grill.
No.
Can I take that dog?
No, he's
Can I
sleeping.
take that dog?
They caught him with an open bottle. Damn.
Yeah. You guys see all those awesome flavors in there? This is what you have in this bottle right here, all in here. Now what they doing is they are using this to help the customer smell all the different aromas that will be in that bottle. So what you'll do, you push that right there, and all that come through the tubes. It'll come up right here, and you smell it. It's like drinking without drinking. Beautiful setup. You guys definitely come check this store out. This is in the airport, the Amsterdam airport. Come check it out if you guys are ever in here. They have a really dope selection of liquors. Look at this one. This one is freaking awesome right here. This is freaking awesome. Look at this right here, man. And this for that Hennessy lovers out there. Yeah. The Hennessy lovers out there, y'all see? Spend the big bucks. This is all the stuff you have in your Hennessy right there, y'all. That's badass, man. Oh, it's private right here.
10,000 euro lighters.
God damn, with diamonds.
Yeah.
Yo, guys, come check this store out. Come check it. If you ever inside the Amsterdam airport. Please come here and check them out. This is freaking beautiful. I'm telling you, it's like a sight for your eyes, y'all. Look at this. This is a $10,000 lighter. Two of them. 10K lighters, bro. Diamond crested. Sheesh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Champagne per 3, 8,000 euros.
Damn, what the hell?
Yeah.
What was this one right here you was telling me?
8,000 for the Petru 1990.
That's 1990, damn.
Yeah, man.
Let's see.
Cool bottle of big champagne for 2K.
That's 2000.
Yes. 1969.
1969.
Pretty rare, man.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful. That's more of a, that's... Yeah.
Yes, so.
I'm a...
Okay, right, this is champagne.
Oh, that's champagne.
Yeah,
Oh, look
for the
at
high rollers, you know. Yes.
Alright, I'm ready for you. Alright guys, I'm in Amsterdam right now. Just met Edwin, the owner of the store right here. He's about to show us one of the most expensive drinks out there. Trying to come on, focus. Dang. This man right here. When you guys come to Amsterdam to this airport, make sure you stop by. Can you tell me the name of the store?
Exquisite.
Exquisites. Make sure you guys stop by, say hi to him. Check out all the dope visuals they have in here. They have a lot of different varieties of liquor. Lots of rare ones. I even just saw a $10,000 lighter. A $10,000 lighter, man. Can you believe it? Dang. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, lock that up before Uncle Jarvis come in here and drink all that up.
I actually bought me a bottle of freaking, dang, what's that joint? What's that expensive one? It was like 150 a bottle.
Champagne?
Yeah. Fuck.
Dom Perignon.
Dom
man.
Perignon.
Yes.
Dom Perignon. I just bought me some. I bought it like probably 2 months ago.
Dom Perignon.
I just had it sitting at the house. I'm like, maybe when I propose to somebody, I'm like, hey, hope she say yeah. Before
Otherwise you have a good drink, man.
I'm gonna drink myself to sleep, like, man, drink and cry myself to sleep, you know. Yo, hell yeah! Thank you again for all the content, man.
Yeah, no problem at all.
Definitely, not videos, man. I'm really happy about this. Thank you a lot.
Cool, no problem.
Thank you a lot. And I'm gonna put the your information on my YouTube channel. You can just type in Chefbiz.
Chefbiz?
Yeah.
Oh, really?